Hi guys, hope you're all having fun. Thank you for watching the video, and thank you for subscribing to the channel. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and click the subscribe button below. So we're here with another video. Today we'll be talking about the Cherry Tiggo and the infotainment system within it. So right now I would just as was for the MG, so I would just show you the instructions of how to restart the infotainment system in case something goes wrong with it. Right now it's working perfectly fine, so no issues with that regard, but still if sometimes there is an issue and it does get stuck, then we can use this troubleshooter program to reset it. One of the things that is beneficial for the Cherry Tiggo is that the AC control panel is separate, so there's no issue of the infotainment being stuck and then you're not able to operate the AC. So let's see. So we have a couple of buttons over here, so which I would take you through. So one is the power button, then the volume down button, volume up button, hazard button, home button, the video monitor button, the AVM, the phone call, and the mode button. The mode button is related to the driving modes, so you can see that you can change the driving modes from eco to normal, normal to sport mode, and then sport mode to eco mode. We would cover those separately in another video, but for this right now, so if we look at and press the power button, so we can go to the standby mode, which shows the time and the date, and if you press it again, then we're back. So but in case it gets stuck somehow, so you can press the power button for around 20 seconds, and this would restart the infotainment system. So that would help you erase any issues with the system without turning off the car and turning it on again. So now the Chery logo will come up and this would be restarted with the, of course, the chime sound. So that's it. That's very simple. So we can use this to troubleshoot any infotainment issues in the car. That's all for now. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel by clicking the button below. If you have any other issues with regards to the car or any other technological gadget, then you can just mention in the comment section and we will help you out. Thank you for joining us today. Have a great day. Bye bye.